Understanding the phrase, strike close to home. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, strike close to home. Understanding these types of expressions can greatly improve your English fluency and help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. Strike close to home is an idiomatic expression that means something affects you very deeply and personally. It's used when an event, situation, or remark is particularly relevant to your personal life, feelings, or experiences. The key here is the emotional or personal connection to the issue at hand. The phrase, strike close to home, likely originates from the idea of something hitting very near to where one lives, suggesting a close and personal impact. Over time, it evolved to represent emotional or personal proximity rather than just physical closeness. This evolution highlights the flexibility and depth of language. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. When a friend's experience mirrors your own. If a movie about friendship loss deeply affects you because you've experienced a similar situation, you might say, "That movie really struck close to home for me." 2. During discussions on sensitive topics. In debates or discussions, if someone shares a viewpoint or story that aligns closely with your personal experiences, especially on sensitive subjects, it can be described as striking close to home. 3. Relatable media content. Books, movies, or songs that resonate with your life or feelings are said to strike close to home. Understanding how to use strike close to home can help you express empathy and personal connection in conversations. It's especially useful in empathetic listening and sharing personal stories or opinions. Remember, this phrase is best used in contexts where there is a deep personal or emotional impact. And there you have it. A closer look at the phrase, strike close to home. We hope this video has shed some light on this expression and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Remember, learning these idiomatic expressions can add depth to your language skills and help you connect more meaningfully with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.